Hi guys, as you can see, there's a cool thing in my hand, right? The color is changing automatically. Cool. Let's see what it is. This is Majorette Ford Mustang GT, and this is from their color changer series. As you can see, it's a very good looking car, and this is from their premium car series. So you get a card over there, and very nice box. The blister is nice. You can see the car. And 10 degrees Celsius is a different color, and in 22 degrees Celsius it's a different color. So that is the fun part about this car actually. And let's see what are the other cars out there. So yeah, Audi, then the Porsche, Ford Mustang GT, then the Dodge Viper, Renault, and a Lamborghini. Yeah, I have the Lamborghini, and this Ford we have now, and this Porsche 911. This also I've got. So this three I got. We'll unbox it soon. But let me show you how much I got for this. Is I got for 399, and this is from their May 23, not from this year or past year. This is from the May 23 series. It was sitting on the pegs, so I just bought it, and let's see how it is from inside, and we will unbox it and see. Let me quickly unbox it, and we will look into it. Yeah, it was quite difficult to get this. You can see it's got totally ripped off. So yeah, the packaging is quite hard, but we finally got out this card and the blister in the car, all of them. So it's a very nice looking card. As you can see, this is color changer Ford Mustang GT. The card art is very nice actually, and what they do is like they give the actual information over there. So you can see the cylinder is 8, then the engine size 4951 cm cubic centimeter, power is 460. Yeah, it's like very small. Speed is 250 km per hour, 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. Curve weight is 1731 kg, and torque is 570 Nm. So yeah, it's written the information there also. We'll just keep it aside and see the car now. And you can see it comes with a small blister inside a blister. So yeah, they have kept it nice. The door is open. You can see how it flops out. Yeah, it's cool thing. So let's see it from inside. Yeah, the doors, like both of the doors gets open, and it's nice actually. It feels nice, heavy. You can feel the weight actually. Yeah, let's close the door and see the other things. Actually, it got suspension also. If you're wondering, the premium cars have the suspension, and yeah, the front looks nice. They have some acrylics over there going on. Yeah, looks aggressive a little bit. You can see the Mustang logo over there, and very good. From front it looks good. They have mirrors also. The paint is like feeling something weird, but this is like very sensitive to temperature. Maybe it is for that, but I'm not sure why it feels very smudgy. Rear is good. You can see the tail lights they have given, right? So the paint job and all things is very good. GT written over there. The spoiler and the tail lights work is very good. Let's see the interior now. What it is from inside actually. So it's like pitch black. Just basic interior. And now the fun part we'll put this in the freezer and see how it changes the color. Okay, it's a bit quite cold out here, and we can see the car have already started changing the color in the freezer. So I'll put a time lapse now. Yeah, you can see I was like looking into it and it started changing the color. So if you put in 10 degrees Celsius right around it, so it will start changing the color to dark green. And if you hold it in your hand back again, so because of your hand heat, it will change back to its normal color. So yeah, that's it for today guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.